Hey friends, Gus from our plant-based world. Today we're kickstarting the year. We are revitalizing green juice that is a powerhouse of health benefits, perfect for your cleanse and detox goals.
First up, apples. They add a natural sweetness and are rich in antioxidants, helping flush toxins and supporting a healthy digestive system. Cucumbers are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making them a perfect detox ally. Celery, our third hero, is a natural diuretic. It aids in reducing bloating and supports kidney function, crucial for eliminating toxins. Ginger, the zesty kick in our juice, is known for its immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory benefits. We're using a cold-pressed juicer to retain all the nutrients. Remember, the fresher they produce, the more benefits you'll reap. And don't forget about the pulp. Instead of discarding it, use it to make delicious, nutrient-rich crackers. It's a fantastic way to reduce waste and enjoy every bit of your produce.
Now I'm curious, have you tried juicing before? If you have, please share your experience with us because we would love to know more. And if you love this healthy use, please hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us. Cheers to happiness and health.